Welcome back to our English world.
Hi everyone, I'm Rose, and today I'm going to take you through my special day. It's Saturday, my day off, and also my best friend's birthday. I woke up bright and early at 8 in the morning, all excited for the day ahead. First things first. I went to the washroom, washed my face, and quickly combed my hair. Firstly, I planned to get some flowers for my friend. But then I had a change of heart. I wanted something more special, something that would bring a big smile to her face. While I was on my way, I saw a teddy bear shop and headed inside. And there it was. This adorable white teddy bear, just waiting to be cuddled. I knew right away that this was the perfect gift for my friend. After selecting the gift, I decided to treat myself to a leisurely breakfast at my favorite cafe. With a full belly and a happy heart, I headed to the park. To soak up some sunshine, I spent some time reading in the park, losing myself in a good book and enjoying the tranquility of nature. As the afternoon rolled around, it was time to start getting ready for Sarah's birthday. I wanted to make sure I looked my best for the celebration. I put on makeup and chose a dress I really like. Now, I look very nice. I took the teddy bear and headed to the birthday party venue. It was 7 p.m., and I was a little late. The party was an absolute blast. We danced like nobody was watching, and indulged in some delicious food. We had everything you could imagine, from sushi to pizza. And of course, a mouth-watering birthday cake. And of course, no party is complete without a group photo. To remember the fun times, we took lots of selfies. As the clock struck 11 p.m., it was time to call it a night. Exhausted but filled with joy, I hopped into a taxi. When I got home, I was very tired but also very happy. It was a good day. I go to bed and fall asleep quickly. And that, my friends, is how I spent my day off. Celebrating with the ones I love. It was truly a day to remember. Thanks for joining me on this journey.
If you found this video helpful or interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more insights and experiences.